Congress in Rajasthan has sacked rebel leader Sachin Pilot from the Deputy CM and party chief post after he skipped the second meeting of MLAs today. Two ministers siding with the pilot in his rebellion will also be dropped from the cabinet. Sachin Pilot, who has been reportedly insisting for the chief ministerial post, was asked to attend the meeting as surety for his talks with the leadership. The party had warned of strict actions against all those who skipped the meeting. Moving on to the next news, Sachin Pilot, newly sacked as Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister and State Chief by the Congress Party, said that truth cannot be defeated. Pilot, soon after Congress Party's decision to sack him came, tweeted in Hindi, "Truth can be disturbed, not defeated." Two other state cabinet ministers, Vishwendra Singh and Ramesh Meena, were also sacked from their posts. Moving on to the next news, Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot has accused Sachin Pilot of being involved in the BJP's conspiracy to bring down the Congress government. After Pilot was sacked as Deputy CM of Rajasthan, Gehlot spoke to media and told that the decision was taken by the High Command. "We were aware of the horse trading. Finally, the decision was taken by the party High Command. The BJP is indulging in horse trading across the country," Gehlot said. He went on to allege that Sachin Pilot was involved with the BJP in the conspiracy. Moving on to the next news, citing delays from the Indian side in funding and starting the project 4 years after an agreement was signed, the Iran government has decided to move ahead with the construction of rail line from Chabahar port to Zahedan along the border with Afghanistan on its own. Iranian Railways has dropped India from the project and will use approximately $400 million from the Iranian National Development Fund for the project that's scheduled to be completed by March 2022, The Hindu reported. Moving on to the next news, Lieutenant General level talks between India and China are being held to discuss the second phase of withdrawal of troops from eastern Ladakh. The meeting is going on at LAC in Chushul, located towards India. The meeting will discuss the introduction of second phase of disengagement and withdrawal of forces from Pangong Tso and Depsang areas. India will insist on restoring the status in these areas as it was before May 5.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.